Welcome to Parrot Planet, a kaleidoscope of colors and charisma, where our feathered friends reign supreme. Join us on an exciting expedition as we uncover the fascinating world of parrots, those captivating creatures that dance among the treetops and capture our hearts with their charm.
Squawk! Greetings, fellow adventurers. I'm Polly, your trusty guide through this avian extravaganza. Prepare to spread your wings and soar into the enchanting world of parrots.
Parrots, with their radiant plumage and captivating personalities, are truly a sight to behold. Did you know that these remarkable birds can be found in every corner of the globe, from the dense rainforests of South America to the vast savannas of Africa?
Squawk! That's right, budding explorers. Parrots come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique colors and quirks. From the dainty and delightful lovebird to the majestic cockatoo, there's a parrot for everyone to marvel at.
But what makes parrots truly remarkable is not just their stunning appearance, but also their incredible intelligence and adaptability.
Squawk! Feast your eyes on our resplendent feathers. Parrots boast a mesmerizing array of colors, from fiery oranges and electric blues to vibrant yellows and lush greens. Our plumage isn't just for show, it's a dazzling display used to attract mates and express emotions.
Indeed, Polly. And let's not overlook the vocal prowess of these avian virtuosos. With their keen ears and nimble tongues, parrots are masterful mimics capable of replicating an astonishing variety of sounds.
Squawk! Some parrots, like the renowned African gray parrot, are famous for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech. With patience and practice, we can learn to speak hundreds of words and even hold conversations.
Astounding, isn't it? However, while parrots make delightful companions, it's important to remember that they are not domesticated animals, but rather wild creatures with complex needs.
Squawk! Adopting a parrot is a significant commitment that requires dedication, patience, and understanding. We require ample mental stimulation, social interaction, and room to spread our wings and fly.
Quite right, Polly. Responsible parrot guardians must provide a stimulating environment enriched with toys, puzzles, and opportunities for exploration.
Squawk! And let's not overlook our wild kin. Many parrot species face myriad threats, including habitat loss, poaching for the pet trade, and climate change.
It falls upon all of us to safeguard these magnificent birds and their natural habitats. Through conservation efforts and advocacy, we can help secure a brighter future for parrots worldwide.
Squawk! Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the preservation of parrots and their ecosystems. Whether it's supporting conservation organizations, reducing our carbon footprint, or spreading awareness, we all play a vital role in protecting these majestic creatures.
Beyond their striking appearances and vocal talents, parrots exhibit a fascinating array of behaviors that showcase their intelligence and adaptability. From intricate courtship rituals to playful social interactions, these birds never cease to amaze us with their antics.
Squawk! Did you know that parrots are highly social creatures that form strong bonds with their flock members? Whether they're grooming each other, sharing food, or engaging in playful antics, parrots thrive on companionship and interaction.
Absolutely, Polly! Parrots are also skilled problem solvers, capable of using tools and employing creative strategies to overcome challenges in their environment.
Squawk! Watch closely as I demonstrate my puzzle-solving prowess. With a bit of determination and a dash of ingenuity, parrots can conquer even the trickiest of challenges.
Indeed, Polly. These clever birds have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree crevices and even fashioning tools out of leaves to access hard-to-reach food items.
Squawk! Whether we're foraging for food in the wild or solving puzzles in captivity, parrots never cease to impress with our resourcefulness and adaptability.
And let's not forget about parrots' incredible longevity. With proper care and attention, these birds can live for several decades, forming lifelong bonds with their human companions.
Squawk! My human friend and I share a special bond built on trust, respect, and mutual affection. Together, we navigate life's ups and downs, creating cherished memories along the way.
Indeed, Polly. Parrots have a knack for forging deep emotional connections with their caregivers, enriching their lives with laughter, companionship, and unconditional love. And so, our journey through Parrot Planet comes to a close, but the spirit of exploration and wonder lives on. As we bid farewell to this enchanting realm, may we carry with us the lessons learned and the memories shared, embracing the beauty and diversity of our feathered friends. Until we meet again, may your spirits soar as high as the mighty parrot, and may your hearts be filled with the vibrant colors of Parrot Planet. Farewell for now, and happy exploring! But our journey doesn't end here, young explorers. There are countless more discoveries to be made and adventures to be had. That's why we invite you to join us on our YouTube channel, Kids Craze Tunes, where the magic of Parrot Planet and many other fascinating worlds comes to life through engaging animations, fun facts, and educational content designed just for you. By subscribing to Kids Craze Tunes, you'll embark on thrilling expeditions, meet adorable characters like Polly the Parrot, and learn valuable lessons about conservation, kindness, and the importance of preserving our natural heritage for future generations. So, what are you waiting for? Let your imagination take flight with Kids Craze Tunes, where every video is an invitation to explore, discover, and ignite your passion for learning. Together, we'll embark on endless adventures and make memories that will last a lifetime.